Island. I want to just come down and take a look-see as I'm heading to another area. So just to give you all a look, just to see what this beach looks like here. How you doing there? So if you want to come to a private local beach, this is more of a smaller beach, not like you would see one of the major beaches like Daytona Beach, Jack Beach. You're not going to see the same type of stuff here. This is for something where you come get an Airbnb to relax, bring your family to get away from the crowds. This is that type of place. This is not the type of place where you go to see different type of events and stuff like that. Well, they could have it here, but I wouldn't know. It's a very small beach. Maybe not even that small. It just looks private. Okay, guys, the Timucuan Native Americans settled on Amelia Island, Florida around 1000 AD and named it Napoica. They lived there until the early 1700s when European powers colonized the island and fought for control of it. Although in the early 1930s, Abraham Lincoln Lewis, the owner of Afro-American Insurance Company, founded American Beach, located on Amelia Island, north of Jacksonville. This beach was first intended for Lewis's employees, and it serves as one of the few Florida beaches open to African Americans during segregation. Steeped in history and natural beauty, Amelia Island, Florida, is the southernmost jewel of the Sea Island chain of barrier islands. Off the southeastern coast of the United States, pristine, uncrowded beaches envelop the island's east side, while expansive salt marsh estuaries lie along the west. Okay, guys, there's a couple of restaurants that you can choose from while you're at the Amelia Island. The first one is the Sandbar. Sandbar is known for its burgers and seafood. The next restaurant is the Slider Seafood Grill. They're known for their rustic seafood joint perched on the sand. And the other is the Salty Pelican Bar and Grill. They're known for their airy seafood with the river views. Okay, guys, I just wanted to give you a little tour of the Sandbar restaurant here. It's right on the beach, beautiful place. It looks like this is the happening place of the town. So if you ever decide to come down to Amelia Island Beach, this is the place to come to. But if you have a chance to check out the other restaurants while you're there, don't hesitate to do so. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're going across the way to Salt Life Food Shack, which is designed to be a natural extension of the values and lifestyle exemplified by Salt Life. Salt Life Food Shack was developed by the commitment to provide a community-driven restaurant that complements the brand. Okay, as you can see, they have putt-putt golf here. They also have the volleyball court here. So if you do come here and decide to make your way to Amelia Island Beach, as you can see, you have things to do, as well as just sitting on the beach, relaxing and enjoying the restaurants. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching my show. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Stay tuned and enjoy the show.
With over 400 years of recorded history under 8 flags, Amelia Island is an especially historical place that the French visited, the Spanish developed, the English named, and the Americans tamed. Fort Clinch is the oldest masonry fort in the nation. Amelia Island was named for Princess Amelia, daughter of George I of Great Britain, and changed hands between colonial powers a number of times. It is claimed that 8 flags have flown over Amelia Island: French, Spanish, British, Floridian Patriot, Green Cross, Mexican, Confederate, and United States. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching my channel and keeping up with my content. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos.